Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. So, how all are you? I hope you all are very happy and enjoying. And today we will start and revise our previous topic which we have already learned in our previous class, like from alphabets from A to Z. Now tell me how many total letters are there in the alphabets? Wrong. It's not 20. No, it's not 25. It's 26. Yes, you guessed it right. It is 26. So total 26 letters are there in the alphabet starting from A to Z. So now let's start revising it. Okay, now we have to trace the letters in alphabetical order. So alphabetical order start from A to Z. So we will join the dots and trace the letter. We will take a pen. We will take purple color. Okay. A for apple. We all love apples. Right? B for ball. Now we will trace B for ball. Another letter is C. C for cat. Cat is a pet animal. D for dog. Dog is again also a pet animal. Now E for egg. Eggs are high in proteins. Now F for fish. Fishes are water animals. G for grapes. Grapes are in different colors. There are so many different colors of grapes. Now H for horse. Horse are also of different color like brown, black and white. Now we have I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice creams. Now J for joker. Jokers are in the circus. They make us happy. Now K for kite. We all love to fly kites. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Now M for monkey. Monkeys are very cute animal. Now N for nest. And you know what? Nests are made up of thin wooden stems. Now you can see there are some eggs in this nest. And who laid these eggs? Birds, right. O for orange. Oranges are very juicy fruits. P for parrot. Parrots are very colorful birds. Now Q for quill. Quill is a type of leaf. R for rabbits. Rabbits are very cute. Now S for star. Star shines in the sky in the night time. Now next is T for tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Now U for umbrella. Umbrellas are very useful during the rainy season. Now V for van. Tell me who all go by van to school? Oh, very nice. So V for van. Now W for watch. Watch is very useful to watch the time, to see the time. Now X for Xmas tree, which we decorate during the Christmas. And Y for yacht. Yacht is a water transport. And the last one is Z for zebra. Zebras are very beautiful animals and you must have seen zebra crossing also across the roads, right? You can compare them and the similarity between the zebra and zebra crossing. Okay, do practice and learn different objects which starts with these letters. I will ask you in the next class. Till then, I hope you all enjoyed this topic and now I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. Till then, take care. Happy learning.